You guys have been dying from my last videos, talking on water, food, and smoothies, so this is for you guys. This is Motherly. Motherly has 6 kids, as well as a husband named Papa Jan. She is constantly tired. This is her technical husband, and this is her real husband, or whatever you want to call Hanji-san. His lovely cats are Suni, Doongi, and Dory. If you forget their names. LeeKnow loves pudding. Silly filters. His scary air fryer, and his cats. LeeKnow is quite scary. This is LeeKnow's least favorite child member, and he... But he would never hurt a fly. He's just too sweet. Nobody talks about his glow. Up.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit.
His enemies are Hwang Hyunjin and Pools. This is his Lebet. Unlike Lebet's mother, Lebet's the victim of abuse. Minho is a walking Disney character. He is Snowball,
Bam! Like
a
that?
pretty princess. And Sully. Before our time ends, here are 3 of my favorite photos of LeeKnow. Stay No Bankin' is always watching by losers.